Alright, welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel. Today we're featuring something exciting, something new. It's factory fresh 2017 Audi RS5 Coupe Quattro. The designer of this Hot Wheel was Ru Asada. It's actually a brand new edition for 2019 Hot Wheels. Like I said, factory fresh, number 3 out of 10, 225 out of 250. Wide spoke wheels. Smoked windows, black roof. I don't know what that resembles, either carbon fiber or solar panels, like the Tesla has the solar panel on top too. So anyways, it is a coupe. Pretty nice. Sorry for the blurriness. Pretty nice attention to details. Like I say, I put in on my spin wheel so we could do a little detail look at it, all four sides. RS5 logo, Audi emblem, Hot Wheel RS5, 519. So, yeah, RS5, 19 for 2019 year. As you see in the fine print Quattro logo right here. Nice smoked out grills. Detail for the LED lights. Pretty nice attention detail. Let's look in the back now. Nice exhaust, RS5 logo. Same thing, let's put it up closer. Audi logo. Not too much new details about it, but I really like how they paid attention. Even they put windows on, the mirrors on it. Not a lot of, like I said, Hot Wheels are coming out now with more and more of the mirrors, but still there's not a lot. So anyways, nice, pay attention to details. So please like and subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Have a good day.